Hi friends, it's Mrs. E again, the librarian at Kennedy Elementary, and I am going to show you how to use PebbleGo today. PebbleGo is a website that you can use or your teacher can help you use, and you can learn new information about something that you're interested in. So, if you click on this link that says PebbleGo, it will take you to the website. And PebbleGo is made for kids just around your age, so it's going to be very easy for you to use with the help of a teacher or with the help of me. So let's say you wanted to learn more about animals. You could click on this button that says animals, and you know that it's animals because you can see it on the pictures. And it gives you all different options that you can choose. So, dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs. So I click on that button and I can pick which one that I want to know more about. Maybe a Tyrannosaurus Rex, a T-Rex. So here I can look at pictures. I can learn about what the T-Rex looked like, where it lives, what kind of food it eats. And my favorite thing about this website is that you can click on this button and it will actually read these words to you. So if you have a hard time understanding all of these words, by clicking this button, it will read it out loud. And if you click down here, you can also look at a map, and it will tell you where the T-Rex used to live. Oh, wow. Not in Oklahoma. No T-Rexes here. If you click on this button that looks like a house, it takes you back to the main page. Just like in the library search, you can click on something, or you can type in a word here that you want to search for. So maybe you want to learn more about football. I will type in football. And it says, uh-oh, they don't have an article about that. So let's think of something else. Maybe we can search about the person that our school is named after. So I will type in Kennedy. Oh, yep, here's John F. Kennedy. He's who our school is named after. So again, you can click on all these tabs and learn about his life, and if you click on this button, it will read the information to you. PebbleGo is a great way to learn about a new topic, to learn more about something you're already interested in, or to use if you're doing a project in class. And again, friends, Mrs. E in the library will help you with this, your teacher will help you with this, and you will get better the more that you practice. If you have questions or you need help, just talk to your teacher or come see me in the library. Have a wonderful day.